Hi children, I have an interesting exercise for you. You're going to enjoy that. We're going to do reading first. Word puzzle. When the first interesting thing comes up there, it's a word puzzle. Lots of word letters are there. You need to find the word. For that, you need to first know the spelling. You must learn to read. Yes, it's very interesting. Word puzzle is very interesting. You know names of birds, names of animals. Yes, that's a very interesting one. We will do it together. I hope you'll enjoy this. Yes, let's look at this word puzzle. What does it mean? Look, when you look like this, then what you see is whole lot of letters. Yes, just letters. Look carefully. Look carefully and enjoy the exercise. Yes, now we are doing word puzzle. Now you have learned names of fruits. Shall we look for spellings and read it together? Okay, first we'll go look at each row and see what fruit can we find. Now here first row we have A, then P, then L, E and G. Now, what fruit is this nice and red and juicy? What keeps the doctor away? Very good. So you have, in the first row, we have the word apple. Spell it aloud. A, P, P, L, E. So in the first, we have found a word apple. So we take a nice black pencil and circle it out. So in the first row, we found one fruit. Read it. Apple. Spell it A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Good. Let's go to the next row. We have B, E, Y, U, N, R. Is there any fruit by this? No. B-E-Y-U-N-R. No. Let's take the third row. M-A-N-G-O-A. What fruit do we have here? Good. Mango. Spell M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Very good. Let's take the pencil and circle it out. Learn to read it. Mango. Spell it M-A-N-G-O. Mango. So we found apple, mango, two fruits. Fine. Let's take the third row. C-R-A-N-G-P. Any fruit by name? C-R-A-N-G-P. No fruit. Let's go to the next row. T-S-A-V-O-E. Any fruit? T-S-A-V-O-E. No. So we have found apple, we have found mango. Two fruit. Okay. Now let's look at the spelling this way. A, B, M, C, T. Any fruit? A, B, M, C, T? No. Okay, let's go to the next row. P, E, A, R, S. What is that green fruit? Starting with P? Good. Pears. P, E, A, R, S. Pears. Good. So we found the third fruit. Spell pear. P-E-A-R-S. Pears. You are learning to read and spell. Let's go to the next row. P-Y-N-A-A. Any fruit? P-Y-N-A-A. No. Let's go to the next one. L-V-G-N-V. Any fruit? L-V-G-N-V. No. Okay, let's go to the next row. E-N-O-G-O. E-N-O-G-O. Nothing. Finally, let's go down. Grape. What is that? Grape. What is that? Bunch. The fox said it is too sour. Grapes, very good. Grapes. Grapes. So we found pears and grapes here. Let's look at all the fruit that we have found. Read it and say the spelling together. First one, apple. Spell apple. 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 Good. Next, mango. Spell mango. Mango. Next, pears. 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 Good. And the next one, grapes. Grape. Grape. So we found 1, 2, 3, 4 fruits in this puzzle. So we found 4 fruits in this word puzzle. Did you enjoy? Good. Shall we go to another exercise? You are learning to identify, you are learning to read too and spell as well. Good. Shall we take another exercise? Look what we have here. Look at the letters carefully. Whole lot of letters are here. And now we are going to do vegetables. Yes? You know spellings of vegetables? Yes. Good. Let's go through the first row. Look. Let's look at all the letters given to us. Carrot. Is it the name of any vegetable? Think carefully, read carefully. Carrot. What is the long orange root vegetable? What is that? Very good, carrot. Spell carrot. 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 You'll have to eat carrot. It's good for your eyes. So you learned such a big word. Carrot. Spell it again. Carrot. Carrot. Good. Let's go to the next row. Barno. Any vegetable? Barno. No. Let's take the third row. Eidam. Anything here? Eidam. Now, let's go to the next row. Ainoa. Think any vegetable? No. Nsant. Any vegetable? No. Let's go down. Shato. Any vegetable? No. Okay, now let's go this way and see, can we find any other vegetable? Okay, Beans. Let's see. Tell me what this is. Beans. What is that? Long green vegetable? Beans. Very good. Beans. Beans. So we found carrot. We found beans. Very good for health. Beans. Good. Let's go to the next row. Cians. Cians. Anything? Let's take the next one. Adish. Radish. Read it again. Radish. What is that? One vegetable, root vegetable, white in color, like the carrot. Very good. Radish. 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 It's a root vegetable. Same family like the carrot. Carrot is orange. Radish is white and long. Good. Spell radish. Radish. So we found carrot, bean, radish. 3 vegetables. Shall we go on? Good. Next, let's see. R-A-N-A-A. Any vegetable? R-A-N. No. Let's go to the next row. O-N-I-O-N. Read it again. O-N-I-O-N. What is that? What vegetable makes you cry when you go into the kitchen? Big and pink and round. Yes, onion. Very good. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. There's big and small. You peel, you will cry. Yes? Good. So when you want to cry, use a onion. Good. So we found carrot, beans, radish, and onion. Let's see. There's one more row left. Tomato. Look again. Tomato. What is that red vegetable? Juicy, red, looks like tiny apple. Good. Tomato. Yes. Tomato. Tomato is a tiny, red, pulpy, juicy. It's a vegetable and fruit. You can say anything. Yes? You love tomatoes? Yes. Now, look at the number of words you have found. So many vegetables you found. Good. First one is carrot. Then we found beans. We found radish, onion, and tomato. How many? Carrot, beans, radish, onion, and tomato. 5 vegetables we found from these letters. Word puzzle. Did you enjoy doing it? You are learning to read and also know the spelling. Good.